Okay boys, now we are going to learn how we solve a problem solving. Before I start, to solve a problem solving, we have keywords that if you find in the problem solving, you know that you must use absolute value, like the word average or maximum or minimum. When you see these words, this means you must use absolute value in the problem solving. Here, the average annual rainfall in California for the last 100 years is 23 inches. However, the annual rainfall can differ by 10 inches from the 100-year average. What is the range of annual rainfall for California? Of course, here before I start, I can know that the range will be, one time I will add 10, one time I will subtract 10. It will be between 33 and 13. And I know that most of you can solve it mentally, but I don't want the solution mentally. What is important for me, how we make the inequality. To make the inequality, always we will make the actual value, which you don't know. It will be x, minus the average, then it will be less or equal the amount of change. In here, you can write direct absolute value of actual. Actual, I don't know, it is x. Absolute value of x minus 23. Actual minus average, less or equal 10. Like here, absolute value of x minus 23, less or equal 10. Of course, here we have two cases. X minus 23, less or equal 10. X minus 23, more or equal negative 10. You see here. Case 1, case 2. You solve them. You get x less or equal 33, x more or equal 13. Then the actual rainfall will be between 13 and 33. Here we have problem solving the same. Thermostat inside Mickey's house keeps the temperature within 3 degrees. This is the amount of change of the set temperature point. If the thermostat is set at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, of course, this is the average. What is the range of temperatures in the house? Here, the actual, I don't know. I write absolute value because he say for me range. This means I have absolute value. Absolute value of x minus 72, less or equal to what? The amount of change, which is 3. Again, x in absolute value, x minus 72 less or equal 3. Then you solve. When you solve, you will get x between 69 and 75. Direct from here, 72 plus 3, 75. 72 minus 3, 69. You can get the answer direct here because it is multiple choice. Now we are going to solve absolute value, but here the variable has number with it, like here. Of course, you will make the same steps exactly. Here what you write 3y minus 3 more than 9, case 1. Case 2, 3y minus 3 less than negative 9. You see? Nothing different, only he multiplied the variable by a number. Then you solve. Here you will get y more or equal 4, y less than negative 2. Again, here what did you do? Only he multiplied the variable by number. Here after you make addition, you must make division. You see here, plus 3 plus 3, 3y more than 12, divide 3, y more than 4, and here the